You point your phone at a little square of black and white pixels, hear a tiny chime, and the payment is complete. Have you ever paused to think about how that money actually travels? How it leaps through the air, out of your bank account, and into a shopkeeper's hands in a matter of seconds? Before 2016, moving your own money felt like a part-time job. You had to physically travel to a brick-and-mortar bank and stand in lines that stretched down the block just to access your own savings. To pay someone, you first had to find a machine, wait for it to spit out paper bills, and then carry that cash across town to hand it over in person. In this era of banking, the true cost of every transaction was your time. In 2016, India launched UPI, a glowing digital highway connecting the entire country. Banks act like highly secure garages where your money stays parked. UPI is the road itself, providing paved lanes for your money to zip directly from your bank's garage to someone else's. This road has no speed limits. A trip that used to take hours of waiting in line now finishes in less than 10 seconds. Because the system is built as public infrastructure, you burst right through every intersection without paying a single cent in transaction fees. UPI turned money into a public utility, creating a path where anyone can move funds without a toll or a traffic jam. On this highway, everyone shares the exact same pavement, no matter what car you drive. This setup allows all the different competing payment apps to sit side by side on a shop counter and communicate perfectly. You can use your preferred app to send money to a street vendor using a completely different one. The highway ensures they speak the same language. This chart shows the volume of traffic. From near zero at the start, users took 131 billion trips on this road in 2024 alone. Because merchant access is free, even a small street stall can now accept digital payments without renting an expensive credit card terminal. By making the highway open to everyone, the system allowed small businesses to serve millions of customers using nothing but a printed code. With all this money flying through the air, what happened to those massive concrete buildings? The physical branches are still standing, and they are still the trusted vaults keeping everyone's savings secure. However, their purpose has changed. You no longer visit just to get cash for the day. You go when you need expert advice on complex goals, like saving for a home. The everyday chores of banking, like checking a statement or sending a transfer, have moved entirely onto your phone. In remote rural areas, where the nearest bank branch was once a day-long journey away, millions of people now carry a full-service bank in their pockets. Every transaction creates a digital history that vendors now use to qualify for bank loans, something previously impossible without a physical branch nearby. This highway has brought the formal financial system to millions of people who were once invisible to it. If you want to see more stories about the hidden systems running our world, please like, comment, and subscribe.